Risk management. Kicks that lead to blowouts are such an uncommon occurrence that there is no need to make provision for them when planning a well. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True because it is important to plan for a kick before start drilling the well. 2. What is one essential requirement of a management of change, MOC, procedure? A change to procedure can be authorized using a previous risk assessment. B. All team members must be aware of the agreed change before starting the operation. C. Changes to drilling procedures only require authorization and documentation by the assistant driller. D. Only the accountable manager can do a MOC risk assessment. The correct answer is B. Barriers. 3. What is the main purpose of BOP equipment? A. To provide a hydraulic barrier against unplanned flow between the drill string and casing. B. To provide a mechanical barrier against unplanned flow to surface during well operations. C. To provide a mechanical barrier to prevent dropped objects falling into the well. D. To provide a mechanical seal to pressure test the casing and wellhead. The correct answer is B because a BOP is a mechanical way to prevent flow from the WELLBORE to surface. Concept EXPLINATION. A well control barrier can be defined as any physical components or operational practice that prevents formation fluids from flowing unintentionally from a formation into another formation or to escape its surface. The well barrier envelope is the physical system that prevents fluids from flowing unintentionally from the formation into another formation or to the external environment. Barriers. 4. What type of well barrier elements are required to form a barrier envelope? A combination of well barrier elements that prevent flow to the environment or to an open formation. B. A combination of well barrier elements to prevent flow into open formation. C. Several BOP rams to prevent flow to the environment. D. The wellhead, casing and cement in a well. The correct answer is A. Barriers. 5. What is the meaning of well barrier envelope? The all mechanical barrier. B. Use the mud with surface pressure to prevent intrusion of formation fluid to the well. C. It is a combination of barriers that prevent the intrusion of formation fluids to the well, to another formation or to the atmosphere. D. The use of overbalance to prevent intrusion of formation fluid to the well. The correct answer is C. 6. Which correct action should be taken if a well barrier fails while testing, as per API standard RP53? A tightening, repair or any other work must be done under pressure, then retest it again. B. It is not important neither to pressure test this barrier after fixing the problem nor the corrective action. C. Bleed off pressure to half pressure, repair and pressure test it. D. Tightening, repair or any other work must be done only after verification that all pressure is released and all parties are agreed that no chance of trapped pressure. The correct answer is D. 7. What should you do if an annular BOP fails its pressure test? A. No action is required if the rams are successfully tested. B. You do not need to retest it until the next planned test date. C. You should remove the annular from service. D. You should repair it immediately and then retest it. The correct answer is D. 8. Who is authorized to sign the test chart? A. Mechanic. B. Pump operator, drilling contractor representative and operator reparative. C. BOP engineer. D. Electrician. E. Driller or senior tool pusher. The correct answer is B. 9. Which of the following is necessary to maintain primary well control during tripping? A. The hydrostatic pressure exerted by the drilling mud column must remain higher than the formation pressure. B. Mud pumps must be in good working order. C. A minimum of one inside blowout preventer, IBOP, must be available on the drill floor. D. The level in the active tank must be constant. The correct answer is A. 10. What is the main reason for doing a check trip and then circulating bottoms up? A. So that pipe can be pulled to surface at a faster rate. B. To cool the bit. C. To test that the drill crew is ready for tripping. D. To verify that primary well control has been maintained when pulling pipe out of the hole. The correct answer is D. 11. What is the correct definition of primary well control during normal drilling operation? A. Preventing a kick by maintaining drilling mud hydrostatic pressure equal to or greater than formation pressure. B. Preventing the flow of formation fluid into the well bore by maintaining the sum of drilling mud hydrostatic pressure and dynamic pressure loss in the annulus equal to or greater than formation pressure. C. Preventing the flow of formation fluid into the well bore by keeping the dynamic pressure loss in the annulus equal to or greater than formation pressure. D. Preventing the flow of formation fluid into the well bore by using BOP equipment when the hydrostatic pressure in the well bore does not balance or exceed the formation pressure. The correct answer is A. 12. Which statement describes the secondary well barrier? A secondary well barrier is the secondary object that prevents flow from a source. B. A secondary well barrier will not prevent flow from a source. C. A secondary well barrier controls the closure of blowout preventer. D. A secondary well barrier is the first object that prevents flow to well bore. The correct answer is A. 13. Pressure has built up between two casing strings in a well. A poor cement job has been performed on the inner casing string. What could the consequences of this pressure buildup be? 3 answers. A. The inner casing could collapse. B. The ECD will increase. C. These could be different sticking. D. The formation below the outer casing shoe could fracture. E. The outer casing could burst. The correct answers are 3 answers A, D, and E. A cement bond log, CBL, showed that there is a bad cement job between two casing strings. What is the immediate effect of a bad cement job? A. The inner casing could collapse. B. The ECD will increase. C. These could be different sticking. D. The formation below the outer casing shoe could fracture. E. The outer casing could burst. The correct answers are 3 answers A, D, and E. The end of barriers part. Next is pressures.